Alrighty, hey you guys, welcome back. Happy holidays. Welcome back to my channel, Love Nails Nicole. Now, today I am just gonna polish my nails. I wanted to test out the dollar polish that I got from the Beauty Supply. The, what is it called again? Pink Glow. So I'm gonna polish my nails with this. I really wanted to use this, but I want to like manicure my nails really good. Like my cuticles need to be pushed back and I need to file a little bit better. So I'm gonna go with the pink because I have to work and I know I'm gonna be chipping my nails and my polish. I have to work tomorrow. As a base coat, I put on my original nail MB nail strengthener, because as you can see I have nubs and like they grow, but then they grow so thin that they break. And for my fast dry, I'm going to use my Scratch of Sweden. So I want to see how this dollar pink works, because if it works well, I may pick up a couple more today because I'm heading that way shortly. Today is my son's birthday and we're taking him to pick up a couple things, and the Beauty Supply is right next door to it. So if this comes out okay, I may get a couple different colors because they have a ton of colors to choose from. I show it in one of my videos about a Beauty Supply, like maybe my last Beauty Supply video. I think I show the rack of these and all the colors. So yeah, and you know, it's kind of streaky, but I'm gonna let it dry and go over it. Try it like this. Hopefully it will come out to where y'all can see it. If y'all hear a bunch of noise in the background, my son is moving a clothes rack downstairs that I had him go get out of the car, and it sounds like he's rolling it down the steps instead of carrying it. It's so loud, I feel like y'all can hear it. I'm not sure. I guess I'll know when I edit the video. Wow, it's super pink on this Q-tip. Ooh, it's blurry. Now, it seems like it would be a nice formula because it starts off thick, but then it gets streaky to where you're gonna have to use 2 coats, and I'm not too sure. Let me pour some nail polish remover here. Oh shoot. Oh my god, I went way too I went way too fast. Holy crap. Pause. Let me get some napkins. Okay, that was a true disaster. While I was cleaning my spill up, I bonked my nails into this. It had pink on it. I got that off and bonked it into my other hand and on the back of my finger, and that was just a complete disaster right now. So I'm gonna go back over it with what I'm using as a base, which is the Nail MB. There we go. And I'm gonna let that dry, and I'll start on my other nails with the pink. See, I should be using my Twixie, because then I probably wouldn't have all of these problems. Plus, I'm in an awkward position, so being quite messy. Jesus. Oh my gosh, you know what I just thought about? Like, I haven't even did a Christmas nail design. That's how busy I've been, and it's almost Christmas. I have not did Christmas nails yet. I usually would at least have done Christmas nail colors or some type of design a few times throughout the month. I love Halloween nail art and I love Christmas nail art. But this year, I haven't had the time to do it. Oh my god, that just made me sad. Because I always make sure I have some type of like Christmas nails all month. This is probably only my 3rd time polishing my nails this month, which is crazy. But and I'm just talking while I'm polishing, y'all. I really haven't had that much time on my hands because I just got a new job. It's my first time working after many years of being a stay-at-home mom. So I'm trying to balance out work life and still mom life, and trying to, you know, do everything else that I usually would do during the day when, you know, I was home and or not working. So would just have me kind of falling behind a little bit. So that's 2 coats of it on the thumb. And as you can see, I just smudged again. It does not fail, y'all. I think every time I make a video polishing my nails, I smudge them. Finished polishing all my nails with the pink. And I didn't record much of it because my battery is actually about to die. It came out kind of thick and streaky, so what I'm gonna do to cover that up is I'm going to put on my finger paints holographic top coat just to cover up a couple of smudges I made and that little streakiness to it, and see how that turns out. Shake it up a little bit here and hopefully this doesn't die on me. Let's see, I'll do a couple and I'm gonna have to pause it. I got a really bad smudge on this one. So what's my lighting, guys? Still really dark looking, kind of. I do really like the color. I'm just not too sure on the formula this far. I think that if I was to go ahead and collect them, I would use them for toenail polish. I don't know if you guys can see. Lighting is bad. Well, I'm going to pause it, finish putting on the holographic top coat on the rest of the fingers, and come back and show you guys how it looks. I'm kind of having trouble with the lighting. It's kind of hard to see. Finished polishing with the pink and the holographic top coat. I also used my Scratch of Sweden top and base coat. It's a multi-top and base coat on top of the pink and on top of the hollow. So I'm going to open my stickers, pull these out, and pick out a couple to put on my nails to go for a pink Christmas theme. Easy DIY. Slapping on some stickers is the best way to go. Now I do want to get to some stamping done before the holiday gets here, but this is really easy to do and quick, so I'm going to try this for now. I'm thinking, I'm not sure, y'all. Which ones? I wish y'all could tell me. A Christmas tree, a present, candy cane. Oh no, it's stuck. It just messed it up and made indentations. Darn it, it never fills with me. I cannot do anything until my nails are completely dry, or else it's just a hot mess. Okay, so this is the little stickers I showed you guys in my last video. It says apply them while the polish is still a little tacky. It is a little bit. I'm going to see how it works. I'm going to try a candy cane first. Let's see. There we go. Came off nice and easy. So I'm going to try it on the pointer finger. Put it a little crooked. There we go, and I think I'll put a present. Comes off really nice and easy. Put a present. go over it. It says go over it with a top coat, which I would do anyway to kind of seal it in, keep it from popping off. Okay. So of course I put it that way so if I'm showing anyone, it's facing towards them. Oh gosh, emergency. Oh my god, you guys, that was a disaster. It spilled everywhere. It got under my nail table a little bit. I have a, oh shoot, I'm about to spill it again. Jesus Christ. Trying to get what's under here. Oh, that sucked. Look how much is gone now. And I just bought it, half the bottle. But I'm just gonna go ahead and end the video because this is just turning into a disaster. So far I have on the 2 stickers. I said I used my pink dollar polish from the Beauty Supply. I used my Scratches Sweden Fast Dry and my multi base and top coat. And for my base coat on my natural nail, I used my Original Nail MV Nail Strengthener, and I used my Merry and Bright Christmas stickers from Walgreens. And the holographic top coat is my Finger Paints holographic top coat from Sally Beauty Supply last winter, I believe. So that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to click the subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next LuvMas vlog.